most importantly, most of the cameramen were not even granted access into the courtroom. Why? Because they said they were trying to contain the crowd. Only reporters are actually being allowed entrance into the courtroom. A few of them, actually. You can see some litigants who uh, uh, wanted to be part of the proceedings today, but of course they've been deprived access into the courtroom. As it is expected. Of course, it was expected that the Secretary of Fit would be here to regulate, affairs of individuals, going on within these premises. Right now, of course, there are seven-man panel led by Justice Iyang Okoro hearing the appeal. The appeal kicked off at about 9:10 a.m. this morning. We are expecting to get more information as to what will be the outcome. It is expected that these the lawyers who are representing these parties will adopt their cases, the processes today after adopting, and then the court is supposed to adjourn for or reserve judgment. They are actually working with a particular number list given to them, a particular number of people who are supposed to go inside. Apparently, the list didn't contain some cameraman, and then even when we try to say that at least one of the cameramen should actually go in and the the usual coverage and then be able to syndicate to other cameramen, that wasn't allowed. I think they are trying to contain the security situation, around the Supreme Court, knowing that yes, the apex court is a very, very sensitive environment at this moment.
Because right now we have one camera person now brought viewer. That camera assembly is going to be here.